Izindaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emininje.
The magnitude of this damage far exceeds the capacity that the provincial emergency fund would have.
Undunankulu waseLimpopo uPoppy Ramathuba uthi-ke isifundazwe sizodinga imali engu-1.7 billion wamarandi ukulungisa ingqalasizinda. uRamathuba ubebambeke isithangami nabezindaba njengoba-ke sebeyisishagalolunye abantu asebeshone ngenxa yezikhukhula esifundazweni.
Are you able to share those names of politicians who might be involved in corruption that you are investigating?
Ikomiti lesikhashana lasephalamende liyaqhubeka nokuhloma ngembuzo yinhloko yophiko lwezomtloli emaphoyiseni uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo okulindele ukuthi yaphothula izethulo zobufakazi bakhe namhlanje.
Sifuna izinto eziningi thina. Oma birth certificate, oma immunization card, oma 3 months back statement, ngisho proof of residence. Kodwa bana kuthiwa bahamba beyenza i-affidavit. Ukumlungisa lokho.
Abazali beyingane ezingakazitholi izikhala zokufunda esikoleni Eddington ePoint eThekwini basola uthishanhloko wesikole ngokuthi ubhekelela kangcono izingane zabo kufika njengoba-ke zabo zingakwazi ukuthola isikhala sokufunda kulesi sikole. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni-ke zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo-ke naku-SABC Lihayi. Igama lami nginguDawud Phungula. Kusho nabantu abathathu kwathi abanye abane abalungisa umgwaqo balimala ngemva kwengozi ebandakanya iloli nemoto-ke eyiveni emgwaqweni we-N3 ngaphambi kwenhlukano nomgwaqo yaseshongweni entshonalanga yeTheku. Kube ukuthi-ke iloli liphaphalaze lashayisa iveni libeke seliphume emgwaqweni lashayisa abantu abebesebenza-ke emgwaqweni ngaphambi kokuthi lithungeleke ngomlilo. Imoto eyiveni kukholakala ukuthi ibithweleka abantu kabathathu ngesikhathi ithungeleka ngomlilo phakathi-ke nalomgwaqo nguthelawayeka. Abezimo eziphuthumayo bathi-ke umshayeleki weloli uphume ngenamyoci kanti-ke bakwazile ukusiza-ke izisebenzi eziningana ezilungisa komgwaqo N3 ezilimele. Kwenye ingozi futhi kulimaleka abantu abayisikhombisa ngesikhathi umshayeli wetekisi ehluleka ukulawula lashayisana-ke nenye imoto emgwaqweni M4 eThekwini.
Unfortunately, at this stage, it appears as 2 fatalities have occurred as a result of this horrific collision. The truck then lost control and veered through the centre medium and down the other side of that bank. The truck driver sustained no injuries. ALS paramedics are currently treating 4 patients who have sustained injuries from minor to serious. And once all of them are stabilised, they'll be transported to a nearby hospital for the further care that they require. The N3 Durban bound has been closed by RTI for safety, so I'd advise all motorists to avoid this area at all costs.
Undunankulu waseLimpopo uDokotela uPoppy Ramathuba uthi-ke isifundazwe sidinga imali engu-1.7 billion wamarandi ukulungisa ingqalasizinda. uRamathuba kusho lokhu-ke ngesikhathi ebambe isithangami nabeyindaba njengoba-ke sebeyisishagalolunye abantu abashone ngenxa yezikhukhula esifundazweni.
Kukhahlamezeka amakhaya ngaphezu kwe-1,600 izikole ezingama-34 kwacekeleka phansi ingqalasizinda ezibhedlela eziyisi-7 kanye nemitholampilo eyisi-19 esifundazweni iLimpopo ngenxa yezikhukhula kwashona abantu abayisi-9.
The around 1.7 billion would be required for the repairs while assessments are still continuing. We've also asked the assistance as we located from the South African National Defence Force on the temporary restoration of the access road. The Department of Public Works, Roads and Infrastructure will, in areas where rains have stopped, start with the process of reconnecting bridges, including the requested assistance to the SANDF.
Izisebenzi kanye nezingane zesikole abakwazi ukuya emsebenzini nasezikoleni ngenxa yokucekela kaphansi kwemabhuloho ngenxa yezikhukhula.
Workers are not able to go to work. Some employers are not understanding that employees have been cut off. Therefore, economic activities in our province, in some parts of our province, have come to a halt.
Umonakalo wenzekile ongaphezu kwamandla esifundazwe.
In total, we know that all these 439 roads will require all of us, from national government up to the local government, to be able to work towards restoring them. The magnitude of this damage far exceeds the capacity that the provincial emergency fund would have.
Kunxuswe-ke umphakathi ukuthi ungalokuthi ukuthi uzame ukwela umfula odla izintwane.
Kusenjalo umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ohambele kezinye zeyindawo ke ezikhahlanyezwe izikhukhula eLimpopo ukuyohlola ke isimo somonakalo.
We started off in the Vembe district, where we saw how a number of houses were flooded and how people have lost their possessions with the huge rains that have been raining in this part of our country. And now here in the Mopani district, it's even much worse, because right here where we are, there are 36 houses that have just been wiped away from the face of the earth. Everything is gone. The roofs, the walls, the furniture, and one 5-year-old child has also passed away. We've also heard how one person was thoughtful enough and threw a rope to people who were stranded, and they tied each other around the rope and they pulled each other out of what could have been certain death. So we are really grateful that that type of innovation, even in a time of great danger, was possible, and it happened.
Liyaqhubeka nokuyidliva ezingxenyeni zesifundazwe eMpumalanga njengoba ke imvula enamandla isicekele phansi amabhloho izindlu kanye nemigwaqo. Ababhekele ke isimo sezulu babike imvula esesigabeni esiphezulu kakhulu eindaweni ezifana naseMpumalanga, iLimpopo kanye nasezingxenyeni zaseMozambique.
Imvula enamandla isicekele phansi izindlu, imigwaqo kanye namabhloho kwezinye izingxenye zesifundazwe eMpumalanga, ikakhulukazi kumasipala eNkomazi, kanti nenqalazinda yamanzi nayo ikhahlamezekile. Inhlangano engenza inzuzo ehlinzeka ngosizo iGifts of the Givers isifike yaphosa isivivaneni emndenini ethintekile.
The damage that we saw yesterday was quite extensive. Most mud houses have been either extremely damaged or completely swept away, but we've also seen very bad damages on the roads that made it hard for our teams to get to some areas.
Lenhlangano ephinde yanikela nangezingubo zokulala nezinye izinsiza kule mndeni eseledengwane.
So today we've brought food hampers. So we've got those disaster hampers for them. We've got blankets, we've got sleeping mattresses, we've got detergent and hygiene for them, as well as baby food. Most of the communities are quite devastated, and as we know, most of the areas that are affected are very rural and disadvantaged. So most of them are really worried about, if the rain continues, the ones whose houses are still standing, if more damage will happen. But we know that local disaster management and housing have been on the ground with us, making sure to assist those households that have been affected already and those that would possibly be affected going forward.
Abe-Gifts of the Givers basekhona endaweni ngenhloso yokuqhubeka nokulekelela ngosizo njengoba imvula isaqhubeka nokuyidliva.
Amalungu ekomiti lesikhashana lasePhalamende eliphenya nge-SAPS ayaqhubeka nokuhloma ngembuzo inhloko yophiko lwezomtloli emaphoyiseni uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo kulindele ukuthi ke kubeke usuku lwakheke lokugcina phambi kwe-ad hoc. Ukuzwayo kabanzi ke ngokuqhubekayo ke njengamanje sixhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC enkanise ke ePhalamende umkhokheli bandla. Mkhokheli, asikubingelele ke sikwamukele ezindabeni ke zehora lokuqala emini, besacela nje usilandise ngokuqhubekayo ePhalamende njengoba uKhumalo kulindele ukuthi kaphuthuleka ubufakazi bakhe namhlanje.
Dawudi mandibulise kwemntakwethu, ndibulise nakumbukeli wendaba ze-SABC ngolwimi lwesiZulu. Okokuqala mandithi into baniqinisekisa into yokuba uDumisani Khumalo ongu-Head of Intelligence emapolisa noMzantsi Afrika usephambi kwale komiti. Ngaphambi kuba sibe kanti sizapha kuwe emoyeni ebengcanjaziswa ngolilungu le-ad hoc committee obuye abelilungu le-ANC uKhusela Diko okona bekwenza kuzama ukulandelela izithyolo ezikhulu azenzileyo ezothusayo phambi kwale komiti ukusuka izolo ukuza namhlanje izitsholo ezo ingakumbi ezo zimayela nokuba amapolisa engakumbi kwiphondo laseGauteng asebenzisana namaqela ezigilamkhuba namaqela ananisa ngeziyobisi ubonye into yokuba kukho ukusondelelana phakathi kwalamaqela amabini ngokutshoke kwezitsholo ezibekwe nguye uDumsane Khumalo. Okunye ke okuzanye ukulandelelwa nguKhusela Diko olilungu lale komiti esisitsholo esiye savela sokuba kukhona ukusondelelana okanye ke mhlawumbi lento ndingathi iAssociation noba ke direct okanye indirectly eyenzeka phakathi kukamphathiswa uSenzo Mchunu onqunyanyisiweyo sithetha nje kunye nalamaqela emigulukudu ebuza ke uKhusela Diko into yokuba ingaba uDumsane Khumalo unabo na ubungqina kunye ke naye uNhlanhla Mkhonazi ongumcommissioner wamapolisa kwaZulu-Natal kuba ke izitsholo ezikumila kunje zizenziwa nanguye uNhlanhla Mkhonazi ebuza uKhusela Diko into yokuba ebukhona na ubungqina obubambekayo obuphathekayo obayamanisa umphathiswa uSenzo Mchunu kunye ke nalamaqela emigulukudu esithi ke into yokuba uDumsane Khumalo abanabo ubungqina obubambekayo koko banazo izikrokro eziye zingathi zikhomba umphathiswa lo uSenzo Mchunu kunye nokusebenzisana namaqela emigulukudu kulindeleke ke aqukumbele ubungqina bakhe namhlanje engaphelanga mhlambi iyure okanye ezimbini ezizayo mhlambi ke enophinda noqobise kuDawudi ukuba kwiveki ezayo silindele ingqina lesibini elizakuba nguRobert McBride lingqina ke libalulekileyo liphambi kwale komiti yakuba ngolwesibini then elinye elibaluleke ngamandla ingqina kulindeleke livele nalo emveni kokuba evelile uRobert McBride ngolwesibini uzawuvela insuku ezimbini ngolwesibini nolwesithathu and then ukusuka ngolwesine nolwesihlanu aphinde avele uPaul O'Sullivan ogama lakhe nalo ekudala kuthethwa ngalo kwezi zitsholo zothusayo zothusa ilizwe loMzantsi Afrika kuzafuneka ke la madoda amabini evelile uRobert McBride ngolwesibini ngolwesithathu and then ngolwesine ngolwesihlanu sibe naye uPaul O'Sullivan esakwenza ke ukuqinisekisa into yokuba ke umbukeli wendaba zeSABC akaphoswa kukusuka nokuhlala kwale komiti sasoke thina singamehlo nendlebe zombukeli apha ke eParliament. Dawudi okwangoku masibuyele kwemntakwethu estudio.
Sibonga kakhulu yona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba zeSABC umkhokheli bande Speaker Bukhoma eseParliament lapha ke Western Cape. Abazali izinhlangano kanye ke namaqembu athile ke zombusazwe kwaZulu-Natal bawothi ubomvu njengoba ke bebhikisha ngaphandle kwesikole samabanga aphansi Eddington ezinze ePoint eThekwini bathi bafuna ke kwamukelwe ke izicelo zezingane zabo kuqala kunokuthi ke kubekwe phambili ohlweni izingane zabo kufika.
Abazali baqhinqe ngaphandle kwalesi sikole babhodla umlilo basola uhulumeni ngokuthi uphendula lelizwe kwampunzi edla emini lapho abokufika bezenzela umathanda.
Thina as ama-South Africans sizoyapha kuthiwe thina siye ingane zethu asifunde asiyitholi imisebenzi kufanele kubhekelelwe bona kuqala asayitholi ngisho isikhala ezikoleni kufanele kubhekelelwe ingane zabo kuqala ingane zethu azenze njani zihambe ziyodliwa ama-drugs.
Bakhala ngokuthi uhulumeni akanabo ubulungiswa ngokwenza kube lula ukuba zamukelwe kuqala izicelo zabo kufika ekubeni kunesibalo esikhulu sabazali bezingane zakuleli elilinde ukufakwa ezikoleni.
Ukuthi uyabuka izinto ezifunakalayo esikoleni sifunakala izinto eziningi thina oma birth certificate oma immunization card oma 3 months back statement ngisho proof of residence kodwa bana kuthiwa bahamba bewenza iaffidavit ukulungiswa lokho.
Umsunguli wenhlangano iMarch in March uthi okubakhathaza kakhulu ukuthi izingane zabo kufika azigcini nje ngokuthola izikhala kuqala kodwa zihlinzekwa ngosizo lokubhalisela uxhaso ukuze zigcine zikwazi ukufunda mahala ngemali ebanjwa kubakhokhi bentela bakuleli.
I want to know, I think I don't have an answer from the principal of the school and the Department of Education because we've got parents who've been coming here since last year and we know this because we've been speaking about this since last year. Way before July or June, we've been saying prioritize South African children. They've been coming here, they've got proof of the forms and everything. And I'm saying as a principal of a school or as a Department of Education, how do you decide that let me give or allocate the spot to a Nigerian or a Congolese or Ethiopian from God knows wherever country they're from over a South African?
This matter is not about me. I'm an attorney. This matter is about the accused. This matter is about law.
uVictor Majolo ngumsolo ecaleni lokubulawa kwayengumsakazi uWarwick Stock nobedume kakhulu ngelika DJ Waras uyaqhubeka ke nesicelo sakhe sebheyili. Bukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibeko ukuthi uNdunankulu waseLimpopo uthi ke isifundazwe sizodinga ke imali ngo 1.7 billion wamarandi ukulungisa ingqalasizinda. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo zicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjalo uzosithola kumjalo bazo. uVictor Majola nongumsolo ecaleni lokubulawa kwayengumsakazi uWarwick Stock obedume kakhulu ngelika DJ Waras uyaqhubeka nesicelo sakhe sebheyili.
This matter is not about me. I'm an attorney. This matter is about the accused. This matter is about law. This matter is about evidence. This matter is about interest of justice.
Njengoba efaka isicelo sebhayili uVictor Majola obhekene nensolo zecala lokubulawa kwaye ngumsakazi uDJ Waras umbuso kanye nommeli wakhe benza izethulo zabo ngaphambi kwenkantolo. Ivideo ekhombisa abalisi ababili abasolwa ngokubulala uDJ Waras iveziwe enkantolo kwaqinisekiswa ukuthi ababili abavela kuyo le video bakhonjiswa uMajola ngenkathi ekhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela wabuzwa ukuthi ngabe uyabazini nokuyilapha asho khona ukuthi cha akabazi.
In his bail application, the applicant indicated that when he was arrested and assaulted, he was shown pictures and he was asked if you know those people. And these are the very same people. And he told the police he doesn't know them. So these are the very same people that he was asked about. So we'll zoom it on, we'll hand it over to the court to view it as well to satisfy the court and the state. Then we can proceed.
Umbuso ubumekwe lokuthi umsolwa kumele aveze izathu ezenza umqondo zokuthi kungani kufanele anikezwe ibhayili.
The applicant has to show that there is exceptional circumstances which exist.
Sekuphele isikhathi esingangenyanga Dudula wabulawa uDJ Waras njengoba nje zazisho 16 insuku kuzibandlela ngonyaka wedlule ngenkathi ebulawa.
Kubosho yedwa odabuke eMalawi ngesikhathi kabezokuphepha kumkhandlu idolobha waseGroleni begasele emayini ukuzoshaqa abamba ngokungemthetho endaweni yokulahla imfucuza eBrakpan.
Ababhekelele zokuphepha kumkhandlu idolobha eGroleni bagasele ezimayini iVolta Freedom eBrakpan lapha abantu bemba khona ngokwemthetho. Le ndawo yavalwa umasipala ngenyanga edlule ngenhloso yokubuyisa uzinzo kanye nokuphepha. Kubosho yedwa ongokudabuka eMalawi kulolu hlelo. Obhelele zokuphepha kulomkhandlu idolobha usizakele masukuthi ngebabuvumela ubulelisi.
Sizokwenza sure ukuthi umasipala ubusela okukaKesari kuKesari ngoba kunabantu abafike la baqhwaga. Sizokwenza sure ukuthi abasebenzi bethu abala because indawo kamasipala lesikuyo. Iko ngithi sobuyisela okukaKesari kuKesari le ndawo yenzelwe ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sincedise umasipala ukuthi si generate imali ezokwazi ukuthi assist umasipala going forward.
Amaphoyisa omkhandlu idolobha athi imikhankaso efana nale izoqhubeka.
The purpose of these operations is to ensure that we reclaim our operational areas. Remember, this is a land refill and it has been it wasn't operating since from December the 16th. Then now we want this land refill center to be operational. Then as a law enforcement agent and the department, then it is our responsibility to ensure that the safety of the employees of the council and the safety of the people that are working in the space are safe.
Umkhandlu idolobha uxwayisa abantu abamba ngokwemthetho kule ndawo ukuthi bazokhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela.
Ikhansela le-Aljama uKabelo Gwamanda ufakeke isiphakamiso kwesokuthi uchithwe ngevoti imeya yaseGoli uDada Morero. Iqembu ke libaluleke izathu ezimbili zalesiphakamiso sokuqala ke sithi kuMorero wehlulekile ukuhlinzeka ngobuholi obuqotho kanye nokuhlinzeka ngezidingo nqangi kwizakhamuzi zaseGoli.
We believe that it's a motion that will not be able to find.
I-Aljama ikhala ke ngey'nsolo zokuthi idolobha iGoli selihlangabezana ke nokungabikho ke kuzinzwe ekulawulweni kwalo kanti ke ukuhlalelwa kwalesi siphakamiso kulindele ukuthi ke kuqhubeke mhla zingamashumi ke nesishagalolunye kwephezulu kanti ke yesekwa ke nayiqembu i-UDM emkhandlwini. Owengamela kezemsebenzi kahulumeni ke nengqalazinda KwaZulu-Natal uMartin Meyer uqhamuke nohlelo lokuzama ukwelekelelwa kwezikole ke ezigcwele ezikweletini zogesi kanye ke namanzi ezivalelwe ke lezi idingo umasipala ngenxa yokwehluleka ukukhokha.
Zingamashumi ayisikhombisa nesithupha izikole ezibhekelela abafundi abanezidingo ezikhethekile abaphila nokukhubazeka KwaZulu-Natal ezidinga ukulungiswa ngokusheshsha. Ezinye zazo isengcupheni yokuvalwa ngenxa yokuthi uxhaso liqhamuka emnyangweni wemfundo uwodwana alwanele. Inkinga enkulu ebhekene nalezi zikole ukulungiswa kwengqalasizinda ehambisana nezidingo zalabo bafundi.
I think I could very safely say of the 76 special needs schools, 76 are in need of refurbishment. We unfortunately in the past, maintenance wasn't prioritized within the province, and that unfortunately caused huge problems. Because if you fix a small problem when you're supposed to, it's cheap. If you leave it, it becomes very expensive.
Esinye sesikole sabaphila nokukhubazeka eThekwini sikhale ngongabibikho kwezinsiza ezanele.
Class ashoda, ama-teacher aides awekho. Okukhulu nawo konke asingama-therapist. Siyazi ukuthi uzusebenza nabantwana abakanje uyidinga i-therapist kodwa asingama-therapist.
Inyana yothisha isathu yolwamukele uhlelo oluhlongozwayo lokusiza ukwehlisa izikweletu zezinsiza ezikoleni.
It's something that we will really welcome as SADU because majority of schools, including the Department of Education, offices are not operating. They are closed because there's no electricity. You find schools not having electricity and some of these schools are boarding schools. What's going to happen?
Imizamo yokuthola ukuphawula komnyango wezemfundo KwaZulu-Natal ayiphumelelanga.
Sizibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona emini siyabuya ke nezinye ngehora ke lesikhombisa kusihlwa bukela usali kahle.